Hey guys, James in Vegas here. I've gotten a few requests from my followers and just my viewers in general about the 211 apartments here in downtown Las Vegas. And today I thought I'd just do a quick video and just show you some of the common areas, actually show you all the common areas of the 211. So that way you can get an idea if this is someplace you might want to live. I've been here for almost 3 years now. Actually, it is 3 years this month, I think, or last month. I don't remember. It's been a while, 3 years. And I love it here. So if you can handle a small apartment, small studio, living downtown is not that bad. So come with me while I take you around and show you all the common areas. All right, guys, I'm going to start this out at the front of the building and walk through to the lobby. It is a gated entry, so you do have some security here. And no, I'm not going to show you the code. And this is the lobby. Right over here is the leasing office. Up there is the media room. So you have like a desk that you can work on your laptop. There's a TV there and everything. You have an ATM. I think there's like a $200 maximum withdrawal per transaction. Again, another view of the lobby area. Sorry about the flip-flop noises. I just realized I'm wearing flip-flops. And this is the mail room, the little community board. Bunch of mailboxes, and then we also have secure lockers that's free to use. So like if you get Amazon or FedEx or UPS, you just come in and scan your code there, and that will get your package safely delivered. Sometimes the packages are delivered to your door, but you know, it's usually pretty safe in here. So down this way, I'm going to take you to the communal kitchens, or the community kitchens that you're able to use. And there are two of them. They have air conditioning as well as vending machines. Now it's Sunday, so the drinks are pretty empty. Gas stove, microwave, refrigerator, sink, and here's the second one. And then another little dining area. So if we go out these doors, sorry for moving around here, but if we go out these doors, this is where our little courtyard is, and I'll take you over to the hot tub first. Right over there is the lobby. I'll show you this area later as soon as we're done outside. That's actually the exercise room or the gym. So these are all keyed entry as well. 3.5 feet deep, so you definitely do not want to dive. You got your controls there to turn it on. No glassware, but it's a pretty nice little spot. I spent the last couple of days out here, and you can see the building from the inside. Pool equipment. This is a paid parking area that is gated. The entry for the gate is right over there, but that is an extra charge. Over here, there's a fire pit area where You come and hang out whenever you want. We have a lot of tables. We have a barbecue pit area that is getting work done right now. So it's kind of closed, obviously. But a barbecue area with a nice long counter. Bunch of hammocks to come out and lounge on. And over here we got a dog park with double gate entry. Looks like one gate right now. Looks like the other gate is down for repair, but usually it's a double gate entry. Stella does not like this park. She doesn't like artificial turf, and that's what this is. This is artificial turf. So let's go in and I'll show you the gym. I'll leave a link in the description below for the website where you can apply. And if you guys could do me a favor, make sure you like this video and subscribe it. Even share it if you have friends that are interested in this place. But also, when you do apply, if you mention my name, James Willis, just like Bruce Willis, but James Willis, then it'll help me out with this channel as well, because I will get a little bit of a bonus on my rent for 1 month, which is awesome. And if you do have any questions, just feel free to drop them down below. In the mornings during the week, they have coffee here. Again, there's the ATM. And this is the fitness center. Sorry about my keys rattling, but it's also keyed entry. And there's a lot of exercise equipment. Sorry, guy. Medicine balls, treadmills, free weights, and some cleaning area. Pretty good all in all. A little television. Now I'll take you up to the 3rd floor roof decks. There's 2 of them. One on the north side, which is Ogden Street. I'm sorry, north side is Stewart, and south side is Ogden. So the rooftop decks are on the 3rd floor. And let's go. So I'm going to take you to the south side deck first. Again, this is the Ogden side. I didn't realize that my flip-flops would be so annoying. I'm hoping they don't come through on the microphone, but I can hear them quite well, and I'm partially deaf, so I can only hope that you don't hear them. So this is the 3rd floor rooftop deck. You're close to everything. This is Ogden Street. You can see the D off in the distance. The Cortez is like a block away. See the Strat off in the distance. Over in this area is Atomic Liquor, which is a nice little, I would call it a local bar. Just because a lot of people don't walk down Fremont Street that far. Fremont Street's right there. So you can see Fremont Street's a block away from here. And then Container Park is just on the other side of this building here on Fremont Street and 7th. So this is your view from the south side deck. Now let's head to the north side deck.
Man.
How you guys doing?
How you doing?
Good.
I tried that, man, and my take in the end was I just don't like it.
So before we get to the north side deck, I'm gonna pop into the laundry room. There's a laundry room on every floor. So let's take a look at that. This is the laundry room on the 3rd floor anyway. There might be someone in here. Oh, no, we're good. So this particular one has 4 washers and 4 dryers, little folding table, and a view to the hot tub. You can see people are climbing in now. But yeah, these are free to use. Just please clean up after yourself. Now let's take a look at the north side patio rooftop deck. So if we continue down the hallway on the 3rd floor north, we come to the other deck. And this is on Stewart and 8th. Got a nice little mountain view, the highway over there, more mountains. Over here you can see the Grand Hotel Casino, and then that one there is the new one, Circa. And then right over there we see Fremont. That's the Fremont Experience, where you have the video display above your head. And this is Stewart and 8th. And I'm going to take you to our garbage chute area. So continuing on the 3rd floor, past the patio is our garbage area. And it is also a key entry. So basically you put recycled, like cardboard and stuff there. And then there's our garbage chute there. Just throw your garbage bags down there. Well, again, guys, I appreciate you watching this and subscribing and liking and everything. And like I said, check the description below and you'll see some links that will help you out. As well as I'll put a link to a 360-degree video of the apartment when I first moved in, actually when I first got the keys. And that will give you an idea of the size of the place. But you need to watch it on your phone or your tablet because you can move it around just like virtual reality. So again, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to drop my name if you do decide to apply. Thanks for watching.